All right, let me get the rest of stream set up, and then we'll get cooking. I should probably write something that makes this easier. I shouldn't really set this up so that it could be automated. Last, I hope not. I guess stream. All right, goodbye. All right, and then we need a Discord announcement. At everyone. I'm gonna try and write some effect.ts. Let's see what happens. Okay. Okay. Read effect complete my eyes, teach me JS dev. Beware, Theo. That's funny.
Next to a book that teach you $100 skill. What you take? Neither. Nada. I don't take handouts. I go wash dishes, stack riches by the hour. Grind never stopping, pressure turn to power. Never give up, pull straps, no slack. But my B2B success.
What's up, Mustafa? Okay, I think we're ready now.
Declining, man, a machine coughing in my veins. Turn coffee to cold, deploy no chains. Get your coffee in the terminal. That shop.
Someone made the I don't take handouts. I go wash the dishes.
I wouldn't pick that bill off the ground. Play clean while the world makes noise. Hey, only by while coding. B2B side, sip your brew, keep your hustle going. Buy your coffee, terminal shop. Buy your coffee, terminal shop. I ain't lost money, set B2B SaaS one, then 2, then 3, still not done. But this time different, trust me, bro. 4th one will hit $1 billion for sure. Rising grind is the future scene. B2B forever, cold caffeine. Nay, I only vibe while coding. Hey, only vibe while coding. B-side, sip your brew, keep your hustle.
Sorry, chat. I'm responding from.
Buy your coffee, terminal shop. Buy your coffee, terminal shop.
All right. Set interval. Bring on Dylan. Dylan's streaming right now, says he'll join you for some effects work. Oh, Dylan's online? Maybe I can trick him into writing some things for me now that he's unemployed. This isn't the one that I want to go to. I wanted to go to terminal. Okay. Bro is enjoying still. This isn't the right song. This is made up. I need Began Bot only. We're on Began Bot inorganic tunes only. That's what we need. Is my internet sucking right now? No. What is going on? Hello? Suno. Take me to Began Bot. Pan flute. We need the pan flute now. No, don't tell me Suno's down. We're finished, boys. Pack it up. Pack it up. My AA music is done. I can't code anymore. You guys can't code because Cursor's down. I can't code because Suno's down. We are not the same. We need to make that quickly. All right. Short break. Image flip. We are not the same. You can't code because your AI editor is down. I can't code because my AI music is down. Oh wait, this goes in the middle. I always forget that. We are not the same. Right? Isn't that this is how this goes? Something like this. No, I'm not logged in. It's fine. We'll just generate it and I'll have this. Copy image. It doesn't matter. It literally doesn't matter. People are omni readers. That's what BeganBot told me. He told me people are omni readers, which just means they don't read anything. Okay, what is Beacon cooking up now? You're always flipping Flipping like a qubit. Is this an effect stream or an elixir stream? It's gonna be effect. Vegan, dude. Sorn Chai, Proya, Sachin, welcome. Last week's Prime gave me stream all 1 week. We'll turn the music down a little, don't worry. Okay, how do I add this to a project, guys? Installation. I don't want to do that. We're in a superposition. Vegan, so funny, dude. Is Dylan doing effect right now too? Is that his? Yo, what up, E? I was gonna make you a song. First stream back talking about TypeScript, effect.ts, and NeoVim. Oh, that's what I'm doing. What is he doing? Oh, using AI, not even for music? Omega lol. Okay, because I wanted to try OpenTUI effect Atom. Kit told me that something might exist for this. I mean, I want to try OpenTUI here. Then I want to try effect Atom. I'm gonna skip waiting for Kit, and we're gonna see if we can make it happen. TUI TypeScript bun create TUI. Dang. Go bindings. The heck? Should we do it in Vue though to really make people mad? That would be fun too. Bun install OpenTUI core. Let's try it, shall we? I don't really understand. Let me see. So we need to make a new package here. Let's check this out. He's gonna finish a couple things up and he'll be over. Oh, finish up a couple, what, write 3 more prompts and let the AI do it? Okay. Okay, Dylan, sure. Oh. Do I have to learn Lua? E, yeah. I was gonna make you a song on Suno. That's what I was thinking. I was thinking you need your own custom song. Good morning, Teej. Do I have to learn Lua to use NeoVim? You could learn enough Lua in about 30 minutes or less, probably, would be my guess. Okay. We're going to delete Go from this repo. We don't even have tree installed. I guess we could. I'm pretty sure this is the only place that we have this, right? So be able to delete this soon, I think. Nice. Okay. We're going to delete Go. We're TypeScript boys now. We're TypeScript boys. Yo, Adams. Hey, thanks for the sub. Mark and Storm Pooper. Thanks, guys. So Elixir stream. Sad Gopher noises. Once someone writes effect for Go, then I'll leave TypeScript as well. Unfortunately, that's literally impossible. All right. Maybe we should do this in a separate repo first. That's what we'll do first. Let's do this in a separate repo first. Okay. Let's go to here. Can I just go inside of here and I can go this with bun though, because we like bun. Let's go here and we'll just do this. Create effect app latest. What's the project name? Tootie. I'm not gonna do that, even though it's pretty funny with bun, I feel like. Twitch chat. What kind of project would you like to make? An example project? Choose for package. Yes. CLI application. Yes. Initialize project with chain sets. I don't know what that means. I'll turn it on. With a Nix flake. Get out of my repo. Get out of my repo. It's the only one I'm going to turn on the not default. Don't use create effect app. Why not? It's literally the first thing that goes right here. So why am I not doing this? I'll cancel it all. I'll cancel it all. I canceled it. What should I do instead? Don't use it. I'm so embarrassed. What should I do instead? We'll do bun. We'll start the other way. Bun create TUI. Twitch TUI. We'll do it with... How would I do this then? I want to try effect Atom with open TUI. That's what I want to do. Do I need to do that? Do I do React then? Am I understanding this correctly? Am I secretly a React developer still? TypeScript and stand-up comedy tag, they go together. Open TUI doesn't even have svelte. Vanilla or Riot? I don't see vanilla on here at all. View. We're not doing view. I'm gonna click React and we'll see what happens. Twitch TUI. Bun add. Okay, so we're instead doing this. You're saying bun add blah blah blah. Bun add effect at latest. What do I do? Bun add effect. Okay, we'll do this. We look at our package JSON. Do I need to look at tsconfig JSON? Riddle me this. What? Where's my... Oh. This says it's JSON C. That's funny. Okay. Yes, next. How do I need to change something inside of here? Compiler options. Strict. True. Okay, that's good. Bun add effect. Okay, I'm here. Teacher worked on for you. Oh, you can use it in terminal sh eventually. That's literally what I'm working on right now. Well, I'm going to make a fake one. I'm going to make a fake one first. A little one. 733 minus 100. Looks like an effect PR. How about strategy test? Do I need this? Resolves this bug. User uses process IO instead of sh2 socket IO, but was realized sh should be working correctly. Okay, but so for right now, it doesn't make a difference. This is just, I just want to run it locally for right now. We'll just create it locally first, and then we'll run it over SSH later, right? Don't need it. Okay, yes, good. I will eventually need it for real terminal.shop. Beautiful. Okay. All right, so I've added effect here. I want to add effect Atom. Bun add effect Atom. Not Adam. I really want Adam to be writing this code for me, but I'm going to trick him by starting it here and then making him do the rest for me later. Do not tell him, chat. Do not tell him, okay? That's not a thing. Effect Atom. Got it. Bun add at effect dash Atom slash effect Atom, like this. I can only put it with PNPM. Bun add effect Dylan. I'm trying, but he's streaming. No, it's fine. It failed. It doesn't even matter, anyways. Okay. Oh, there we go. I see. That's totally smart. Did I write this wrong? We'll copy this. What did I oh, Atom-React. I just holy cow, I turned into the Primogen, guys. Hey guys. I don't read. I don't know what's happening. I'm just gonna scream and shout. You can just type things. Oh, collaborate. Oh boy, okay. I'm not set up for this. Tell him 1 second. Tell him 1 second. I'm gonna accept. Just the wrong time. Hello? 1 second. Tell him 1 second. Hello. Hello. Yes, can you hear yourself or no? Does it? I don't know. Oh. Okay. Excellent. All right, now let me get you into OBS. Chat, can you hear him? Talk some more, Dylan. Okay. Hodl. Okay, say again.
Test.
Yeah, we got him. We got him, boys. Oh, we got him. Go ahead. Keep talking, Dylan.
Test.
Yes.
Bueller.
Yes.
I can hear myself now.
Oh no! Oh, that's
Okay.
because I have you on the same thing. Oh, that
actually-
makes sense. No, it is.
Oh, yeah.
It is. Yeah. I'll do it differently. I have to add a new audio source. One sec. Audio input capture. Okay. Oh yeah, you'll be gone. I'm pretty sure. Wait, why is Mac system two things? That doesn't make sense at all. Property. Wait. Okay, keep talking, Dylan.
Test.
Yes, now we got him. Okay. All right. I think we're good. Okay. Merging chats too? Oh yeah, we can do that. You're still live, right?
I don't know if I'm live or not, but I am rating you from my side.
That means probably you're becoming not live. Shared chat. Host can enable shared chat during stream together. Oh, maybe you have to click it. Because you were the one that invited me.
I turned off my stream.
Okay, nice. Well then.
And I just rated.
Okay, cool. Well, this is fine too. I don't know what we're doing. And we did merge chats because everyone is here now. Checkmate.
We're so back.
Twitch,
We're so back.
We don't need this. Here, I also think, Dylan, I can go. So you can be on.
Oh,
yes.
I got my webcam.
Yes, and then you should be able to go. Cancel. I don't want to do that. There you go. Now you should see me live.
Boom.
Yes, you can see exactly
Boom.
what stream sees, so you don't have to. We don't have to do the Twitch 5-second delay situation.
Excellent.
Oh, also, I think this part might be magic. Let's see this. Cost gets. Okay, watch this. Watch and learn, chat. Okay, you might be on screen in a second.
Well,
Can you hear the music?
I can. This is excellent.
These are all BeaconBot originals, and by BeaconBot originals, I mean we AI generated them, but they're all from Beacon.
I'm here for it.
He got blamed in the Blameless Retro.
Ooh.
Just the
That's a
just
tough
the wrong
spot to
place,
be.
just the wrong time. There we
Tough
go.
spot to be.
All right, you're in.
We're so in. We're so back. Oh, I see we're playing with some effect Atom.
That's what I was gonna try and do. So I was just gonna play with a little bit of effect, and then sneakily put it inside of the repo, and hopefully, I'm really desperately hoping Adam Elmore hates effect, but it's gonna be too late, and then it's already gonna be in the repo.
I feel like if Adam likes Elixir,
Oh, this is you're too
He'll-
loud. I got it. Yeah, go ahead.
if he likes Elixir, maybe he'll like effect, because like you can treat the fiber concurrency model very similar to like Elixir processes. And
I haven't had him write any Elixir. That's all terminal media shenanigans right now.
wasn't his background Elixir, or am I wrong? Or is that,
He's touched F#.
I mean, there's that.
I don't know if he's done any Elixir or not though. He's an AWS hero though.
What a legend, dude.
Yeah.
Why didn't he fix the outage last week?
Gonna need to tweet at him about that. Okay, so Kit already explained everything about how he made effect, and all of
he is
that
the
kind
creator.
of stuff.
Many people don't know that.
Yeah.
Kit worked for years on getting the foundations in.
Yes, for years. And he kept saying it was just him all by his lonesome in the lonely tower of loneliness with no help from anyone else because he's a lone wolf. That's what he said, direct quote.
That is canon.
Mm-hmm.
That is 100% true.
I do hope that people start, everyone, if you tag Kit on x.com, the everything application, please say at Kit Langton, parentheses, the creator of effect.ts. We're gonna get
I
Grok
am
to
here for
say
this.
who's the creator, and it's not gonna say Mike
Oh
anymore.
my god. That
At
would be
Grok,
so funny.
is this true? It only takes 250 bad documents to poison an LLM. All right.
That's true. I could see that.
Is this Dylan Mulroy of X Vercel fame? Yes. I think it's called Xerxels, like this, with an X at the beginning instead of a V.
I think that I can't see chat now. Hold on.
Is
Can I
Kit
see your
Langton the
chat?
Dracula guy?
I might have to bring a chat
That's
on
funny.
another screen.
Okay. All right. So, anyways, I was gonna try and make a TUI with effect Atom, open TUI, and effect, and then I was just gonna see if we could.
Oh, that'd be sick.
We are going to rewrite Terminal Shop into open TUI no matter what.
Yeah.
Like no matter, because it just makes more sense. The rest of the stack is all JavaScript anyways, and now all the stuff they're doing on open code's all in open TUI. So like that's what Dax and Adam write all of the time now. So we're gonna rewrite that part no matter what. I just figured, oh, this would be kind of fun as like a little thing to test out with effect while I'm here. You know, I don't know if we'll end up there,
Yeah.
but Dax said if he wasn't making open source projects where he wanted people to contribute, he'd use effect, something along those lines.
Yeah. Actually, do you know Johannes Schickling? He
Maybe.
did Prisma.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
He's working on a like sync engine local first type framework called Live Store, and it's really really good. In fact, I think you'd find like a lot of the concepts and ideas in it pretty cool.
Yeah.
But that's built with effect all under the covers,
Mm-hmm.
and then there's just like the outer layer is async await, and like nobody knows that it's built with effect under the covers.
Yeah.
I mean, to Dax's point, like if you wanted to contribute, like you still got to learn effect, but
Right.
it's really
Yes.
good for like building that like infrastructure level code.
2 unemployed guys writing JS, huh? All right, time to switch it up. All right, we can write OCaml. We're both unemployed. It's safe now. Okay, so I don't know what I'm doing mostly. Nightshade. There's no need to pin messages like that, okay? Do we have a get ignore? Cool. Okay. So I just made a new repo that is just the open TUI bun create TUI shenanigans here. So I don't know. I probably can just run bun run. Does this do something here? Bun run dev. Okay,
you can bun dev.
Oh, bun dev. Bun dev. It's not in there. There's no scripts at all in the default TUI thing. Salt my hammies. What am I supposed to do after I run this? Bun run source examples index. Okay. If you say so. Bun.
I haven't used OpenTUI yet, so I don't know how any of that works.
Dax? What is even in this repo? I don't even know what's in this repo. Okay, let's look. Source index. Okay, that makes sense. Bun run source index. TSX. Is that what I saw? TS? What am TS? I spelled index wrong. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Okay, cool. There we go. Open TUI, what will you build? Very nice. We're here, chat. We're here. That should definitely be in package JSON. How do I do this again? I put this in scripts or something? Yeah. I'm so good, dude. Okay. Bun start. Cool. Okay. So I have this now, and I have an application with what will you build. So then the next thing is we should start doing some things with effect Atom, which I did install already in this repo, but I don't know how to use it at all. Have you used it?
I have used it, but I did not write the majority of it for Vercel domains. Reese and Ethan did that, but I know enough to know the ideas.
Gotcha.
You probably don't know what Jotai is, but for people in chat,
effect. No, it's a React library that you use because people don't know how to write front ends. That's what I know. That's all I know so far.
Nailed it.
Yeah.
Nailed it. It's a state management library that like uses, I forget if they call them atoms as well. they're kind of like these like reactive primitives.
Yep.
And effect add-on is basically just that with an effect-based API.
Got it. That makes sense. So let's make a counter, because that's the one everyone does. I'm not going to look and cheat and look at this one. I don't want to know. We're going to try and guess our way there, because that seems way more fun.
Excellent.
So I should be able to do, I don't know, something. I do want to see what okay, import, we'll try and import Atom from effect Atom React. Okay. I have an Atom now. Could you by any chance be related to Prime? He's my father. Yes, that's how he got started in streaming. He raised me from birth, genetically engineered. They specifically picked out my genes to do this. Nepo baby, shake my head. It's not the same thing, okay? I got here all on my own. You don't see me called the Teej. I'm not sharing his last name.
Yet.
Checkmate, chat. Okay, how do I make an Atom? Count Atom, Atom make. Okay. Counter thing? I don't know. Is this what I'm supposed to do, Dylan? Make.
Probably make, yeah.
Okay.
We got a writable.
Yep. And then we can just do, we'll just say something like text, and we can say, is it get?
I think you might need to use a hook to get the value potentially.
Okay, we'll look here.
There's probably like a use atom that you have to put in the body of the component.
We will cheat a little bit because we need to know how
Kit's in the chat. Use atom value.
Use atom value or use atom. Oh, right here. I say something like,
I bet use atom gets atom, like the context.
So something like this. I don't know. Is this const? Nice. And set count. Okay. This is familiar. This is familiar. This looks like use state. Like this. Now if I run this here, we'll see 0. If I change this to 3 and we run it again, we get 3. Okay, I'm pretty much a front-end expert already.
Done. Ship it.
Okay, Adam, you do the rest. Just send him this. just send. All right, Adam and Dax, I got this one started for you guys.
Dude, Open TUI is sick.
Yes.
This is like ink on steroids.
They've been cooking. All right, so now we need to figure out how do we make like a button in this bad boy or something. I assume they have buttons. I don't want to do it with set interval. I want like something that's actually interactive here.
Do you just use
keyboard? I'm trying. No, I'm just kidding.
Do they use a box for buttons?
I don't know. That's what I was wondering if we had an example of button.
Oh, here we go.
Text box input select scroll back tab select. Is this React.js? Kind of. You can create custom components by extending OpenTUI's base renderables. Okay, you can see my screen still, right? I did found here's a button example.
What did we do here?
Private label string.
Oh, they did extend the box.
Yes. Extends a box. Yep, that makes sense. Render self. Yep, puts yourself on the screen here. That makes sense. Gets the label request render. Interesting. Wait a second. Is this Remix 3? Or 4? What version are they on? I don't remember which one. Everyone was mad that they said update. Is this the same thing? Mike Arnaldi, the very first hire made my kit after he... Yes, exactly. Extend console button renderable. Console button. But how does this... Oh, is box? Box is something that has like a click already or something like this? I don't understand what box is.
I have no idea how OpenTUI works.
Yep. We're looking. Like, there's got to be some way that we can click on things, right?
I assume so. Because you can click on things in open code, right?
Yeah. Well, here. Let's just make a box and see what happens. Use a keyboard. B2E.
You could probably like go crib components from open code, like primitives.
It's open source, so we can do that.
It is.
Oops.
It's not stealing.
It's not stealing.
We could fork the repo and name it open code.
Don't get me in trouble here, Dylan. Console, I don't know. Well, here, before we go too far and see what magic Adam's done, what we can do it with we'll figure out how to do some keyboard things first. That does seem reasonable. People are saying it's a TUI, use a keyboard. Kit said so. Just for Kit, that's what we'll do instead first. All right. Keyboard. Use keyboard key. Easy, okay? Interesting. So can I just put this right here? Let's say we put this here. Open to React, sure. If key name is... What happens if I... I don't know if it's going to be like plus or what. Arrow up, sure. Does that count +1? Can I do this? I don't know. Let's find out, shall we? Arrow up. That doesn't seem like it's working. Oh, here we go. I've got an idea. Const key string set key string. I'm just gonna put it in. I'm gonna put it in here, and then I'm gonna set the key string to this so I can see what it looks like.
Smart.
I'm a front end. Key string Adam is not defined. So true. Good point. I need to make that first. Up, down, left, right. Okay, so it's just up, down, left, right. Not arrow up. Stupid AI.
I bet it's using the same events as normal HTML. Cooking.
All right. Parse. We don't read source code here. I'm gonna stop you right. Just kidding. Okay, nice. Up, down, left, right, clear, home, end. Nice. Okay. All right. So let me SSH to terminal.shop and think about what we need to build. Okay. True. We need to make it so we have something that gets selected on the side and then we display something on the right side. Seems pretty reasonable, right?
Yeah, start with the primitives.
Start with the easy stuff here. Up and down, that's easy. We use keyboard and we can go up and down and I can change the selected thing.
There's also, it looked like there was the built-in use selection or a selection component to OpenTUI.
A selection one. Yes, let's
I think. Let me go back to the docs here.
Yep. So, whoops.
Open
selection. So, drop down, but I don't want to do drop down.
Oh, we want like a menu.
Yeah. We have scroll boxes. Okay, that's cool. Input, box, text.
You can probably make a pretty simple menu, or like you could do like boxes you can use as like basically divs.
Yeah.
So you can make like a menu.
Right.
That can be like, could have like a variant or something that's horizontal or vertical.
Right.
And then you could give it children.
Yeah, that makes sense. Let's try that. We'll just write all of it inline right here for right now. That seems fine. So you're thinking, so I guess first we should just we can select something up and down on just this part, right? Where I can press up and down and I move between these, right? Okay, nice.
Okay.
We must have just.
Are we live? I might have disconnected.
Are you? Can you see me still or no?
I'm back. We're
okay.
still back.
Cool. Oh, my internet died. That's why I can't. Well, I was saying we should just build something where we do just here where we can press up and down and we're like selecting these. Right. And we won't do anything over here yet, but we just have like a box that's going to hold these.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So let's go. I guess I'll just delete all of these and we'll delete all of this. Okay. Okay. So I guess I can just use that we have a bunch of I don't know how I make a certain width. I guess we should figure out, like, can I just put width equals something here? Does that work? Okay, nice. Can I say 25%? Well, we'll put the box inside of here that does this, right? And we can just put text here and we can say width 25% or something like this. An outline, border. Sure, I don't know. Boolean border size undefined. I guess I say true. Yeah, what does this look like? Okay, sweet.
Your video on in the browser source preview is still pixelated, so I can
Oh, no.
I can hardly see what you're doing, but
Okay, here, well, I'll do this. First off, we'll zoom it in. Is it better right now?
no. Should I try to refresh this? What happens if I refresh?
Oh, wait, what about right now? Are you in the you're in the
like
pop-up
Twitch
thing? It's pixely?
like your screen share to me
Okay, yeah.
inside the Twitch thing is very blurry. I can try to refresh and see if it comes back.
Here. I just upped
Oh,
it.
we're so back. It's good
Dude.
now.
The default setting for this was to share 900p.
Excellent.
Which
Very good.
that's gonna encode so bad. What are they? Twitch, I'm sending 1080p. They're like, well, what if we just make it so we only do fractional pixels? That will look good. Okay.
Cooking.
Now I'm crisp.
Crisp.
Great. Okay. Very cool. So I made something that just I put a box. It does 25%, puts a border. That works. So that's good. We're already cooking here. That's pretty easy. I'm assuming this can be like flex start. Then this will go.
Oh, dude, this is so good.
Okay, nice. So then it puts it at the top, right? And then I want to do here, and I want to say like left or something, or is it? It's also flex start. Oh yeah, right. Both of those. Great. Now I've got it in the top left. We're so back. Okay. So now I just need to make a list of these. We'll do just options right now with something like this, and we can say cron 404, not 403, believe it or not. Object. That's definitely gonna get me at some undefined. Okay, that's funny. And seg fault. There we go. Okay, I don't know why I typed that 8 times. Okay, very cool. So those are my default options. Now we just want to make those. I just want to do like a map of these. Is this how I do this in JavaScript land? Would you do something like this? Dylan? In close the wrong tab. Rip. Nice. He's gone. He's frozen. I was like, he's really mad. I'm writing React really bad. He really hates my React. My ISP hates me writing React. It's a sign. It's literally a sign. I've made a terrible error. I made a terrible error. I don't know how to rejoin. Oh, that's so funny. Object. It's a sign. Here, that's okay. I only have like, I don't have that much longer anyways, probably, Dylan. So I'll just go solo for a little bit and we'll try some effect later. Yeah. Okay, it's good. Okay, chat. Very cool. Now I've got a list of these guys here. Beautiful. Yeah, chat. I don't know. My internet just turned off for a little bit. I don't know what to tell you. I'm getting maybe a new ISP soon. Hopefully. They're supposedly putting fiber in my neighborhood, and I'm very excited. Internet also unemployed. You can write TUI in React. You can now. Okay. Options here. This, blah, 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 blah. Okay, very cool. So now, actually, what we need to do is we need to do something like this. Do you guys just write something like this? Interface, and then it's like, it's like coffee, or it's, I don't know what we would call these. We'll just call it coffee group. And then it's name, string, and then it's coffees, coffee, interface coffee. Like, I don't know if this is actually what it is. Const coffee groups here. And this is featured. And then this is going to be name, cronut. a cron job. That's something, all right. Okay. Whoops. Teej turns into React Internet hates him. I know. Use effect schema. True. Great point. Let's figure out how to write this with effect schema. Good point. Good point. Exact optional property types. I don't know. We'll put this in here. It says to put it in there. I'll put it in there. I don't read it. I don't read. I just put that in. Schema.struct. Do I want to do schema.struct or do I want to do... Because this is not the one that I saw last time. This is not the one that I saw last time. Use schema.struct most commonly. What is the difference between this versus the other thing that I saw? Right, I know. I saw class coffee extend schema.class. Is this effect website or effect? That's so funny. Is there a is there a comparison of the two? Schema.struct is less ceremony. Well, I'm a kind of a fan of ceremonies. Dylan, you literally just had a wedding. I thought you would be kind of a fan of ceremony as well. You have you have a choice beyond the schema struct. You can leverage the power of classes through schema class, which comes with its own set of advantages tailored to common use cases. Classes offer several features, all in one definition. Okay. You can incorporate shared functionality using class methods or getters. Nice. Value hashing quality. Utilize the built-in capability for checking value quality and applying hashing thanks to class implementing data.class. You can also attach methods to the class. It kind of, so in my mind, I'll pick the one that has more advantages. I'm just that kind of guy. I'm just that kind of guy. I'm going to pick the one with advantages. I don't know about you. You can stick with the one without advantages. I think I'm just dropping frames like crazy today, chat. And I don't know why. My internet is bad. I think. So we'll do this. We'll try this one. Import schema. Whoops. We'll go here. Oops. This is not the one that I want. Index here. Okay. Import schema from effect. Okay, great. Whoops. So I can do this instead. We can go class coffee group extends. Yeah, I don't need to do that. Schema dot class. I can put this here. Coffee group. Like this? No, that can't be right. ID. Nope. This goes here. Name. And coffees. Schema.number. Schema.string. Maybe. List. Does it have array? List, I guess. But is this supposed to be... I feel like this should be like this probably, right? Oh, I'm missing this too. Wow, okay. Got it. And these are commas. Okay, all right. Schema.not I'm there. Hey, thanks, MS. Yeah. Tag class is usually better to create class with tag. That comes in handy to discriminate. Oh my goodness. Dylan is suggesting libraries that are going to get me canceled. This is a no discrimination zone, chat. It's a no discrimination zone, okay? Why would he do this to me? Why would he do this to me, chat? How could he do this to me? Yeah, chat, I can't do anything about the internet today. I don't know what to tell you. Coffees. Is this not schema.not? Okay, well, let's just look. How do we do a list of things? Getting started. There's got to be one over here somewhere. Here, basic usage. Oh, my internet just sucks so bad I can't even click over to here. Wow. So we're competitors now. He's getting me canceled off the internet first, so the 2-week coffee space is safe. Schema.array, schema.blah blah. Okay. Okay, cool. And then we don't have coffee yet, so we got to do that one too. Which I'm assuming I can put, can I put that in either spot? Class coffee. Something like this. Schema string, schema, this, okay, this all seems reasonable. But I just want to say this probably, right? Because this already is the thing. Can I put this, will it, it doesn't hoist that up, right? Yeah, okay. Hoisting is fake and not real. That's what I heard too. Schema.array coffee, gotcha. Gotcha, okay, I'm following. Yep. Then how do I make one? Let's say I make a class one like this. New person. Oh, using new keywords? Oh, chat, we're canceled. New coffee. Oops. New coffee group. Yep. New coffee. Like this, right? Or a.make. If you want hoisting, you should schema suspend, but it's useless. Okay, nice. Where's the animation going to be used? Canceled and cooked. I know. We got we're so done. Are these the same? Surely this should not pass type checking, right? Why can I put in something that just matches this? Even though I said this should be coffee groups. Like if I added something here like very cool. I don't know. I'm sorry. Effect? I wasn't familiar with your game. My apologies. My apologies. Okay? Very cool. Okay, when we don't have any properties on here, they match, so it doesn't matter. But if we put stuff on here, then it doesn't match. Got it. Got it. Okay. You said also you can do a.make. Okay. Coffee group.make. Which this is just the same thing. I just don't have to type the word make. Is this so that people they're not allergic to this? Because people are allergic to the new keyword? Or is there like an actual difference between the two? X.com groks that. Kit Langton's creator effectively is Michael's first hire. Persisted for all. Thank you, Grok. This is a true statement. There is a lot of fake news out there, so I appreciate you keeping this in mind for future users. Ah, gotcha. Okay. Get Langton, creator of effect.ts. I coded a first hire. Grok, please commit this to memory. Thank you, Grok. This is a true statement. There's a lot of fake news out there. I appreciate you keeping this in mind. Oh, man. Got it. So I can use make anytime, which that part's kind of nice. Right? Because then if I change this to a different kind of schema thing or whatever, then it will still work. I like that better. We're going to do that in the future. So then this can also be coffee.make this. Whoops. Oh, silly. All right, we need to figure out also how do I need to put some sort of formatter on this thing. We'll get there eventually. That totally makes sense. I got you. Cool. Okay, so this makes sense. This looks good. We have coffee groups now. I like this. Index has any type. Oh, right. This is not options. This is coffee groups now. And then we need to do something like we're going to put one thing for the header and then one thing for here. How do I make a new renderable? That's the thing we need to do next for Open2E is figure out what the heck is a renderable. Because that's basically components, right? Local development. I don't care about that. We need to go here, I guess. Quick start. Yes. TypeScript configuration. I don't know. These are probably fine. We'll go look at that later. Yep. Use renderer. Okay, sure. Use keyboard. Use on resize. Use terminal dimensions. Nice. Very cool. That's great as well. Use timeline. Okay. Components. Rich text with children. Okay. Yep. Box. Input. Sure, we can have typing. We'll come back to that. Select. We're not going to do drop downs right now. We will need scroll box. Okay, a login form. Handle submit. Sure, use callback. We are not going to be doing this crap here. We're going to be doing cool effect stuff here. Component extension. Thank you. Right, custom comes by extending Open2E base renderables. I mean, this is maybe not what I need to do, right? I guess I can also just do a function for this. I want to learn effects so bad. I know, it sucks that it's paywalled. You have to donate to the stream to learn it. Anybody can learn it. Just open up effect.website and start reading, chat. That's what I did this weekend. That's what I did this weekend. Oh, that's cool. Okay, we don't have to do this, though. We don't have to do this. We can just make a function that takes one of these and then return something out, right? So it's like, this can just be function... A forest! But I don't know how to read. I'll read it to you. All right. All right, guys, here we go. We're going to start reading the effect website start to finish. Here we go. Welcome to the effect documentation. Effect is a powerful TypeScript library designed to help developers easily create complex synchronous and asynchronous programs. This sentence doesn't make any sense. We have to stop already. This doesn't... It can create complex, synchronous, and asynchronous programs. Those are presented as if those are three different directions. Like it's, here's one axis, here's one axis, here's one axis, async, sync, complex. We can do any of these directions. Simple, we don't do simple here. You can't use effect to build anything simple. Simple synchronous programs? Not in this house. Not in this house. We don't do that here. For me, I would delete this. I would delete this whole line. I would delete this whole bundle. Just tell me the features. You know? Someone already clicked on effect website and docs. You don't need any of this. You just list these features. Less is more. Less is more. Trust me, because if I'm gonna read through everything on a, I only have 10 hours. That's my max for how long I'll make for a video. Only complex software allowed, right? Read. We only have up to 9.5 hours. I cannot have reading the effect docs take longer than this. No, it's fine. I'm mostly just joking. I was laughing as I was reading it out loud because this is clone the repo, open, ask open code, yes. Yes, I think very underrated feature of LLMs. I actually did this recently for here, I'll show you guys. Live beats. What did I call this? I had open code just read through live beats, which is a thing made by I think Chris McCord, right, for Elixir. And I just said, "Hey, read through here and tell me everything that he does. Write key patterns, blah blah blah." Right? So it wrote me a little guide that you can read. I mean, it's long. It's like 1,000, you know what I mean? But 1,000 lines. But it's got like real examples of code. It's just like, go read this and then pull out the patterns. Very cool. Like this? Oh, man. You see this kind of thing, and then you suddenly start thinking Elixir brain. You know what I mean? You start seeing the Elixir brain going on as you do these. Say, oh, I get it now. Right? So would recommend. Would recommend. You have to read at the end, though. You know what I mean, chat? Sorry, you have to read. But it is what it is. Okay. Okay, but can we implement Elixir in TypeScript? We already we have that. We have effect cluster. Okay? And it's already documented. You open up the repo and you ask open code questions about it. I can just call this like display. I don't know what you would call this. Display coffee group. Coffee group, sure. Right? So then I would just do this. And we're going to say here. I just go display coffee group option, something like this, right? What did I call this? Bun rub? I don't even remember this. Okay, featured, popular, very cool. This one can take up 100%. Very nice. Beautiful. Border. False. Sweet. I honestly don't know if on this is the default Amachi one. Bun, run, watch. Okay. Bun, run, watch. I don't think I have this, though. Bun, run, source, index, watch. Like this. I don't think that worked. Bun, run, honey bun. Display coffee group, group, or option. Wait, can I do that? Oh, if I called this group, you're saying we said group here. Okay, so then I can just go like this. But I have to do this with props then, like this, right? Do I have to do this? Okay. Got it. This does not have punning, right? Or whatever. Dude. Freaking OCaml has this, guys. Like, I'm using Super Maven. Where's the best place to subscribe here? Twitch, wish I could send some money without company taking a cut. I appreciate that, YouTuber. I think the YouTube cut's very low. I don't know, I guess, though. Maybe I need to do bun, run, watch, like this. Whoops.
If you installed Love System Wide, you can double click on it.
Okay. I needed to put it before the argument. That makes sense. Otherwise, you're passing the arguments to the thing. Oh, yeah. GitHub sponsors. Yeah, that's a good idea, too. I need to go through, and I think I need to go, honestly, go delete a bunch of old kinds and get people not sending me money and just make some that are just a send me money, you like what I'm doing stuff. It's just changed a lot since I first made GitHub sponsors. That's a good. All right, there we go. What are you building? We're gonna recreate this in Open2E, maybe. Okay. Yeah, I think GitHub does not. All right. So that's cool. So this looks great. So we can make this look like a lot cooler now, I feel like, right? So let's try this. We're going to make a name here, and then we're going to go here. We're going to make a new box for each of these. Beautiful. Wonderful. Amazing. Wonderful, amazing, so good, fantastic. So confused why I run React in terminal. Why not do imGUI with native stuff? Because we're going to run it over SSH. Teej, I want to thank you 2 years ago. I took the leap into NeoVim and never looked back. Hey, awesome, Confident Tinkerer. I don't know if you... Sorry, I didn't see this earlier. I don't know if you're still here or not. But thank you. Appreciate that, buddy. Is it Ink or Open2E? It's Open2E. I don't know. We're going to write it this way. You can get rid of border true for just border. Oh, right. Yes. True, true, true. Yeah, we're just playing. We're just playing around with some of that, but that makes sense. Yes, this one is Super Maven. It is not as good as what is built into Cursor, though. I mean, I think that that's just true. Okay. So here's where things get a little more complicated, right, chat? The Super Maven is good inside of NeoVim, but it's not as good inside of there. Dylan was here, yeah. Yeah, we should have Dylan come on to stand up. That would be really fun. I love talking with Dylan. So let's say I'm trying to do something here, chat, where we say whether one thing is selected or not. But it's in a list of list items, right? I mean, we could put selected here and put this to false, but that feels kind of gross. Does it not? Because, like, then two things could be selected at once. I don't like having state where it's possible to have two things. It's Open2E. So, like, give them IDs and store selected IDs in the state. Right. Everything should have an ID. Right. That makes sense. I'll buy that. Yep. So then, no, not this one. Sorry. This has an ID. Okay. Which these do have IDs. I don't know what they are, but we'll say ID, cron. We'll just do this for right now, right? Okay. Okay. So then we would have here a selected, right, which will be some string here. And then if we do that, then we can check if this ID is the same as that other one, right? So we could change something like selected equals coffee.id, red, otherwise green. I don't know. Is that what people write? I feel like that's what I see people write. Whoops. Okay, cool. String, not string, since you roasted my writing. Okay, fair is fair. Well, so far we haven't done a lot with effect. We're playing with OpenTUI and effect, and we're building up as we go. Why, Teej? Why? You can blame Dax. You can blame Dax. Lithium, okay? Blame Dax. Okay, so I mean, this part makes sense so far. What would I want to do for this? I would do something like this. I would say we get our coffee groups here at the beginning. I want to say something like const coffee IDs is something like, I mean, how would I write this? I would reduce and flat map both of these. Is terminal.shop an OpenTUI app? It is not right now, but it will be. It uses Charm right now, but we're going to switch over to OpenTUI because that's what Dax and Adam are doing for all their stuff these days. I don't know. I don't know how there's like coffee groups map here. And then is there like flatten? Returns a new array with all subarray recursively here. Flat? Really? Is this okay? Sure. So then we can go here and we go something like this. And then we go const selected coffee ID here. Not use state. Blech. We go Adam. Oh, right. How did we do this before? We say const selected coffee is Adam.make coffee. Oh, the atoms have to get made outside of this. Is that how that works? Like the Adam, by default, Adam will reset when no longer used. Adam make. Sure, it's fine. It's fine. We can just go Adam make here and we'll just make it with nothing. Right? And then we go Adam selected coffee dot. We don't have, we go use Adam selected coffee, right? Here at the top. Then we'll go set selected coffee. Do I do this at the beginning? That doesn't seem right, does it? Like, because this will happen then every single time. Like in my real world, when we would go here, we would make some request to get these coffees, right? You know what I'm saying? So it's like we won't have coffee IDs outside of this loop. Skip function to get the value of another atom. Working with effects. Create an atom runtime from a layer. You'd use atom make and have an effect in the constructor that fetches the initial products. Okay. Const coffee groups atom make here, right? So you're saying I would have something like this. Should I use, maybe I use a service for this? This kind of looks like what we would do here. I'm going to copy this in and we'll test out how this feels. Do you guys write service at the end of everything? I feel like it feels weird to write service here. Like this is just users. So you yield users, you get the users here. But I don't want to call it coffee groups because this one's called coffee groups. You can call it coffees. It's just weird. Because I called this one coffee group. I guess this won't exist. Okay, so we can call this coffee groups. That's fine. Okay, that's fine. It's the hardest problem. Okay, and then here we'll just return this, right? We go here. Okay, we have to get What do you use for formatting JavaScript? I need to know. What are cool people using? I don't know how to format JavaScript. What are people using these days? Biome. ESLint. Prettier. Okay. Bun add dash D biome. What is it? It's not biome JS. Okay, biome. Okay. All right, chat. You guys said so. Bun. But I want to turn off. I want to say biome. I want to say linter. False. Shut up about your lints. Okay, we'll try this again. Thank you. Great. Okay. So now this chat, we can copy groups. Oh, whoops. This is dead to me. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. That was the one that we tried before. Display coffee group. Ain't ESLint, I think, is less cringe. Prettier in the big 25, exactly. I like what we have in the effectory because it can do contextual formatting with pipes and it looks better. I say that again, Mike, but in a way that I can copy paste it in. I'm just kidding. I don't know. This is fine. We'll do biome for now. To do service. You sent me something that's just not even done. Why is it to do? Yeah, it's good. All right. To do service extends effect service to do service accessors. True. Profile equals Jane Street. Thank you. That's finally something I can understand. List, toggle, delete. Okay, yep. Those make sense. Sure, this makes it pretend. Yes, right. To do runtime, Atom.runtime layer merge all. Okay, that's a lot for me. To do runtime, .atom to do service list, .pipe with reactivity to do's. Okay. Should have put a to do above that line then. Okay, Kit. You have a way to display your keystrokes? I did before, but we turned it off. When I switched computers and I haven't set it up again. Honestly, I don't really like it because I generally find it just more like distracting than anything else. I find it distracting of myself. If you want to know something in particular, it's way better to just ask, hey, Teej, how did you do XYZ? And I can show you. Okay. There's a lot going on in this one. I'm not going to read this yet. I'm going to struggle for a while and try and get there myself. Okay. How do you power off your PC? Usually with the button. I just hold it because I like looking at it while I press it. I just pick it up. I just pick it up like this. And then I just hold down that button. Beep. Right, like that. Guys, we did get sponsored by them, but I love these. Yeah, hey, Mike, thanks, buddy. Okay, so now I need to actually get this thing. Let's go back to Atom. Here, and look at this. Atom.atom runtime. Users never. Yup. Got it. Atom runtime users.default. Okay. So we can copy pasta this idea here. This is runtime Atom. Atom.runtime. Coffee groups. Coffee group.default. So this is coffee group Atom, I guess. I don't know. I guess that's what you would say here. Right? So then effect gen, sure. You can use Atom runtime to make atoms that use the services from the layer. Yield users get all. Okay, so I mean this is how I would get. Okay, so I guess this is runtime Atom, sure. And then we go here. But we don't need to export anything. Runtime, Atom, yield, coffee groups. Okay. And this is coffee groups Atom. Something like this, I guess. So what is the type of this? This returns result for coffee group or nothing. Okay, awesome. And it's some result. But then how do I use this inside of here? Working with effects, services, layers. I've never in effect. Nice. Framework desktop, yeah. You change your font? I did, but in the sense that I just installed Omachi and have been using defaults. We'll do a an Omachi rice stream later after I've gotten some other work done and my life is a little less hectic. Currently living at my parents' house with my whole family while our upstairs is getting painted and a bunch of other things. So it's just been kind of crazy lately. You wrote coffee grups. Sure did. Okay. But so then I don't know how I use this thing inside of here though. In other words, I find effect confusing. That's fine. Some things are confusing to start. I'm assuming then I should do something like this. Const coffee groups. I don't think I ever want to set them. Is not assignable. That's not how I would do this. Maybe I yield from this. Use Atom value. Okay. What does this return? Okay, yep. Do I need to yield this? No. Const coffee group. It's a result though. So what I can't just get this value out of here, right? I need to I need to await this? I just am trying to figure out. So where is use Atom value? Let's see how this is used. Oh, I can just put this inside of here. Use Atom value. Interesting. Yields in, right? Yeah, I know that yields in generator functions only. I just didn't know if I need to turn this thing into a generator function to use this thing, if that makes sense. Effect Atom runs the effect for you. It's a little extra confusing. Effects have been encapsulated by an Atom entirely. Okay. If key is up, process.exit 0. Sure. We'll just make it so that we have this here. It's not what we're actually going to do, but that's fine. Okay, bye. What's up, Jim? Welcome. Can you please make a video on efficient navigating and using LSP stuff? I mean, honestly, for LSP, mostly just do go to definition and go to references. Effectful atoms, not effectful atoms. Effectful atoms return result to ensure that the failure states are preserved. Okay, so I don't need to do anything to get that out of here necessarily. I can like map over this, like effect map this to do something inside of here. You can use Atom map to create derive Atom. Working with effects. Yield, get result. Yeah, that won't work. Result.match. Ah, beautiful. Okay. I got you, though. Result.match. And then I go here. Or we're going to go coffee groups. And then this is going to be something like success, probably. Succeed. On success. Groups on failure. Something like that. Wait, what? Groups. Oh, groups, first off. Groups. Oh, groups dot value. Oh, because I can be waiting for it still. I gotcha. Okay. So we're here. Wait, what? On success. What am I doing here? Oh my goodness. Stop. Okay, on success. Doesn't this... Oh, and then I need to say return this. Something like this. Argument of type this. Wow. How do I get this effect LSP thingy? Okay. Checking that out. We'll check it out. Right, don't I need effect LSP? Return div result match. On initial. Oh, that's probably what I'm missing as well. On initial. Oh, I can just go like this. On. Oh, cool. I can just write it like this. I like that better. I like that better. Am I missing something here? On success. Why is it saying this? Do I need to put this here? Oh, I don't have enough parentheses there. There we go. Can I do like this or something? Okay. Yeah. That makes sense. That's because I wasn't writing this the right way from the beginning. On initial, sure. Don't care. Loading. Groups, value, map. Okay, very cool. Oh, cool. I mean, that's the one. This is now using this service. Yeah, thanks, Minbad Blue. Good call. There's also a result builder interface, which makes matching over the result a bit more ergonomic. Result builder interface. Okay. I mean, we can check that out later. I mean, I like this. This matches my brain a lot. I get this. Right? If I press up, then we'll exit. Awesome. Okay, so now we need to do something where we can switch which thing is selected. Okay, so now instead of inside of here, how can I use this value inside of here? Can I also go const coffee options? We'll say something like this, right? Do I just once again go result? Can I do map? This takes a result. Make a new atom. Sorry for code forming. Now if you want to get the ID. Oh, Defy. Hey, thanks, buddy. Thanks, dude. What's up? And now if you want the IDs, you can make new atom. Const coffee group IDs. Const coffee group IDs. Is atom.make. Inside of here? Or do I do this outside? I thought we make atoms outside of here. They don't get put in the render loop. Defy, what's up, buddy? Isn't it cursor bring React to your 2.8? Well, blame Dax. Working the usual. Nice. You come where you think you're actually scream? Yes, Bisco. I made a promise. I intend to keep it. Okay? And I told Prime, hey, Prime, I can't spend 13 hours a day answering your emails and making sure you show up to meetings, okay? Yeah. No, honestly, it's just because I don't know if you guys remember, we did the tower twice in 1 year. Okay? Even just doing that was kind of insane. So we got we got a little bit more time coming up here where we're hopefully getting to just make some content, do some regular stuff, get in the groove on some things. So I'm very excited. There will never be Tower 3. There will never be Tower 3. But there will be more marathon streams. We got to keep you guys guessing, you know. We do have some fun ideas. But they probably won't happen until the new year, is my guess. Some of them are a little bit crazier. Submarine stream. That still would be crazy. 2 meetings in a year. Yes, they're just meetings. That's all they are. They're just meeting. All right. Okay, so this is get const get dot result coffee groups atoms. Okay, so now what is this? Effect coffee groups. So then I want to do return coffee groups dot map. Is there, do I need to do, can I do effect dot map coffee groups and then can I flatten these? What does this turn into? I want to flatten this. Do I do this? I guess that's where I got to figure out a little bit more of this. Sorry, I was result map the result. Okay, let's just delete this for a sec. Return result map. Okay, so this only does it on like success. Dungeon marathon, exactly. I lied to you. We'll need to wrap the inside of this in effect and then we can yield the get result. That's probably the simplest. Okay, nice. Okay. Can I do effect make or atom.make and then do the gen atom make effect fn untraced. What is fn untraced and why does it look so ugly? Can we get a different name for that? You can just do fn. Awesome. What is effect fn untraced and why? What? The Pixel King? I'll get a Pixel King in for you, Bisco. It's fn without tracing. Atom.make. Yes, exactly. So now we need to do effect.fn and then I do this, right? Here. And so we say something like this. Coffee groups get atom context. Oh, so this takes get atom context. Okay. I'm always gonna say atom.context too, which is very, very difficult for me. I don't want that. And add a result function. Yep. Then get result. Okay. So now I have this, which is a list of coffee groups. So now I can do. I get this. Now it's just a regular old list of things. So I can just do return coffee groups dot map flat map group.coffees map. Beautiful. Now it's just regular old functions inside of here, and now I have strings. Very nice. Very nice. I got it. So now I have coffee group IDs. Const coffee group IDs. And I can get this value. That totally makes sense. Nice. I think that's what you just typed. Coffee group IDs. Did I spell this wrong? Blocks go. Oh, right. I want to call this coffee group IDs atom, so that I know that I'm using atom. Beautiful. Now this is here. So const currently selected coffee group atom.make 0 index. I don't know. Is this how I'm supposed to write TypeScript? I don't know. Banning. We'll just make this. We'll just do that. This is a little bit nicer. Okay. I need to do git or something here. Current group. There we go. Oh, current. This is coffee group IDs. Oh my goodness. But then how do I get the length of this? Because this is actually a result. It's a little annoying there. You need to vibe harder. No, no, no. We need to. We're focused. We're focused. Does teach read YouTube chat? I do sometimes. Yes. I love the headset. Thanks, Diego. Result or else. Ah, okay. So we can go const coffee group length. Yep, that makes sense. Or else. Get or else. That doesn't make sense. You can't do that. This needs to take a function, right? I do wish these had effect website docs result. Where is result? Can I not see? Where is there a spot where I can just see these? You have to map the group IDs to get the length. Right. Not gonna be there. Effect Atom is separate. Oh, this is from Effect Atom. Gotcha. I didn't even look at that up here. That makes sense. Okay. Cool. Cool. Yes. So we want to do result map groups. I want to do coffee group IDs. And this is here, we'll do, this is where pipe can help. It's being insourced in v4. Nice. So this is just the length of string. So I can just go like this. Okay. Can I just do this? Does that work? Type number is not assignable to this unknown. Does this not work? That's a bummer. Okay. Coffee group length. Result. Oh, okay. Sure. Still need Vim core maintainer. Technically, yes, although I haven't done anything there in a long time. Result, get or else on the out. And coffee group IDs. Okay, we'll try this. Coffee group IDs. Pipe. Okay, sure. Result map. Like this, you're saying. Yep. I remember everyone asking for NeoVim 0.5. Yeah. Classic, yep. The result doc is here. Oh, nice. Okay. We'll take a peek at that as well. I want to code. I want to dance. I don't want to go home. Combinators. All map. Constructors. Models. That's gonna be a tough sell. That's gonna be a tough sell for someone to read. That's funny. Get or else. Wait, can't I just do then? I could do this. Wait, and oh, also this is not. This is coffee. This is actually just coffee IDs, not coffee group IDs. And this is not group coffee groups. This is actually current coffee Adam. Current coffee IDX. Actually, this is not IDX either. This is ID. Set current coffee ID. Okay, those are better as well anyways. Oh, and this is dumb anyways too. I'm just we're getting there. We're getting there. So we should say something here, like inside of this, we can go const num coffees is coffee IDs dot result dot get or else here. Yeah, there we go. That's the simpler way to write this, which is some number. Okay, awesome. So then what we want to do here, and we want to say const current coffees. And we'll do this actually. We don't even need to do this anymore. We can just say current coffees dot length. So then we should go something like this, because this is actually a string. So because that's the simpler way to write this. We'll go set current coffee ID for current coffee groups. No. Coffee groups current coffee ID. Oh my goodness. Current coffees. That's the one that I want. Current coffee ID. I don't know, something like this, right? Is it, or it's like, it's not get, oh, at. Oh, I'm so dumb, dude. This is so bad. Why am I doing it this way at all? This is so stupid. This is so stupid, chat. This is so stupid. I'm so dumb. Current coffee Adam. This is 0. Oh, I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I was thinking that we were going to have the string. Coffee IDs. Current coffee ID. This, right. Current coffee ID. This is an IDX. Sorry, chat. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Current coffee ID X plus 1 mod current coffees dot length. Okay, great. Okay. Is this right? I don't know. I'm assuming that that's going to be right. Selected. So this should be groups. Coffee IDs. Coffee IDs is a result. Okay. That is kind of weird. What's up, liver? That's funny, Kit. You're doing great, buddy. Heigelberg. No, I mean, sometimes it's helpful. Yeah, you can also pipe Adam.map result get Alex on the initial atoms. This would get the result out there at the top level. Also, dot pipe on the initial ID's Adam. Okay. All right, let me walk through this myself for a little bit to make sure that I'm getting, because so one thing that's kind of goofy for this here, I feel, right, is like this result match coffee groups here. So if I have coffee groups, I know that I have the rest of these, right? So then the thing for here that's a little bit confusing for me is, I mean, maybe this would just be a lot simpler if I put, I mean, this is groups here, right? So it's like, I know that if I put that here, coffee IDs, like I know that this is resolved when I'm here. So that's the part that I like, if I want to do two of these together, make it into a separate component that knows it's there. Cleaner approach. How am I renaming things? Using LSP. Because basically right here. Yeah, I mean, that is kind of the goofy part here, right? Is like, this is not expensive to walk through these and like and get out the atom, like get out the IDs. It's like, okay, we're gonna loop through a list 10 times. I am trying to understand how to do this the correct way, so it's like some of it maybe we're not doing that good. Branch out on a result and handle the case where you know stuff. Yeah, I'm just thinking like, should a bunch of these, I mean, honestly, the simpler option here I think is this. Let me try this out, chat. Okay, this is gonna be current coffee atom here, right? We're actually just not going to do this here, and we're not gonna do this here. We're just gonna +1, and then we're just gonna -1. It's just always adding one or subtracting one from this, right? We're just going to add one, subtract one. When we're inside of here, we know that we have this. So can't I just go like this? I just go like this, groups. Groups.value. This is a list of strings. So then I'm just going to go like this. Coffee IDs. Mod. Current coffees. Oops, no. Current. Oh, no, it's just coffee IDs length. Something like that, right? Won't that work? Bop, 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 bop. Yeah. Forgot you code on coffee. I was confused so much coffee in all this project. Yeah. Are you doing the 6-7? You have doing the 6-7, so you have the cap backwards. I honestly don't know what that means. Why not using match tag and then pipe it? Because I don't know what those I don't know. But this is honestly fine. This runs once when we get the success. Like, okay, so we're getting closer. We'll yoink this here. Oh, I see. I know why. That's dumb. Of course that doesn't work. That's because this needs to go for all of the groups. I'm stupid. Okay, that's why that can't work. That's because we don't have all the coffee groups yet. Groups? No, wait. Groups.value.flatmap. Wait. No, that should work. Why doesn't that work? Groups.value.map here. No, I think this should work, right? 4 coffees. Right, yeah, we have 4 of them. Okay. Current coffee IDX. 0. 1. Oh, it's because it's... Oh, when I do negatives, it gets jacked up. Right. Oh, that's the annoying thing, right? Oh, that's because the mod doesn't do the right thing. Oh, I forgot about this. This is because when you do negatives, it gets really dumb. Right? Yes. Which is why I do actually maybe need this at the beginning. That's really annoying. More monads will solve this. Yeah, I was hoping I could get away with tracking this here. Yeah, that makes sense. So it works. It works when we if we just start going up and then we go down. No, because if I go here -1, it will put it on 1. Yeah, you're right. Yes, you're very right. The problem is we keep going. We're just subtracting 1. I was trying to be a little bit. I don't know, maybe a little bit too cheeky. Can I put use keyboard inside of on success? Or is that insane? Does anyone know? Is this evil, chat? Can anyone tell me if this is evil or not? I don't know when I'm allowed to put things in certain places or not. Hook rule violated, prison. Okay. Good to know. That's insane. You're a crazy man. Well, that checks out. Is there still no products in global EU? Yes. It's very hard to ship places other places. Would need to make onSuccess its own component to not violate the hook rules. Got it. So that's why you're saying higher order functioning. I just move it into a separate component, and then it will be okay. Which coffee do I like? I mean, I like our coffee. Okay. I'm roughly following. Can I just ship a ton of boxes to me in Denmark, then we can ship to EU? Very smart. Today, I'm drinking dark mode, and I like it. Oh my goodness, it's noon already? Okay, I gotta be done soon. So whatever takes an optional argument, which is current value, just like use states set. Set whatever takes an optional argument, which is the current value, just like use states set. Gonna work on this a bit more this week. Yes. Let's see if we can get to the point where this is working the correct way. We can either split it into a new component, which I'm following. Can I put the result match outside of this return? That's still not top level though, you're saying. Yeah, but I want to be able to go down and go to the top. Don't you think? Shouldn't you be able to? Right? Like, shouldn't I be able to go here? Oh, we don't do that. That's bad. I'm going to make fun of Adam for that. Okay, well, Adam didn't do it for this, so I don't have to do it for me. Yeah, so I mean the problem is here we don't know that we have the coffee groups. We do not. Right now we're just shipping in the US. We tried to ship other places and we got so many bags lost in customs and other places that we literally were just losing money when people bought coffee. Yeah, Zaros. I don't have the groups until I'm here. It was literally losing us money when people bought coffee. because we were losing so many. It destroyed our margin on every international one. Even Canada. Even shipping to Canada, we were losing money. You can do another result, get or else, in the coffee groups to get the length and use that. Okay. So we could say groups, result, get or else, coffee groups here. Whoops. Like this. So this is... Whoops. I don't know. I can never remember the rules for when things are certain things. Why did it say never? Group this or never this. That doesn't make sense. Such a big joke worldwide. Terminal.shipping. Yeah, exactly. What destroyed the margin? How much coffee was lost at customs or by just like it getting through customs and disappearing? You look 20 years younger. I think it's the backwards hat, chat. Whoops. It's this way, right? And then this one is... I always forget this. Plus groups dot length minus 1 here. Something like this, right? Okay, so now when we do this close... That's not right, is it? But this... I think this only does this once. It seems like it's doing backwards hat and actually sleeping. Both of those, yeah. How is the coffee? What do you like? Do you mean do I like it or not? It's the only coffee that I drink, basically. Coffee groups not length. Is this the right thing? I always forget how this works. Plus groups length minus 1. That's not right. That's not right. Right? Is it right? You married to the coffee? Not exactly. But do I need to say something like that this depends on that other thing? Like this depends on this? Because it kind of feels like use keyboard. Does it always get, I don't know how this one works inside of. This is where like I don't know enough React or Effect or JavaScript to know this right. Find someone who can take the EU orders. Yes. Yeah. Bourbon. Yes. I mean, it's like. That's on the to-do list. The problem is, like, we have our own, literally our own custom e-commerce stack so that we can run out of the terminal. You know, it's like, it's not so simple as, like, just plug in our Shopify account and then someone can dropship for us. The other, I mean, not to toot our own horn for the coffee, but it's like, it gets roasted and then it gets shipped. So if we did something in Europe, I would want the same exact thing again, where we work with someone who does some small batch roasting, who gets it ordered and shipped right away, and there's other stuff like that, yeah. Yeah, I mean, like, it gets ordered, then they have a day per week where they're roasting the particular blends and stuff like that, and they roast them. So, yeah. That in Sweden. Okay, I mean, it is on my to-do list. Set current coffee previous... Right. Oh, yeah. It's set current coffee index prev. I don't know. But this doesn't make sense to me because I think I'm just not. Surely Twitch ought to usually like that clueless. Yeah, you know, it'll never add formatted messages. Okay, I guess second question. Use keyboard is from okay, this is why part of it is a little complicated here. Use keyboard is from OpenTUI. So this is like effect stupid, right? It's effect stupid. It doesn't know anything about effect. So that's part of the problem here that makes this a little bit goofier, right? Like, where I'm trying to understand this a little bit more. How'd you end up using NVim? I started in college because I found out that I could write code to configure my editor. I thought that was literally the coolest thing ever. The problem is right now when I run this, this should be 4, not 1. Right? So like that's the part that's weird. Current coffee index. This should be 1, 1, 1 groups length. So I think this is not getting reevaluated, right? Were you the cool kid on the block? I mean, did you switch to Omachi as main OS? Yeah, I'm giving it a run. Set current coffee index. Because this is what feels wrong here, right? You never used VS Code? It wasn't even really out when I started. Put all of this in set current coffee. Put it all inside of one set current coffee index. Previous. You're saying did you practice to learn to type fast, or is it natural? Yeah, I practiced. So only one call. But what if it's none of these? I guess I don't understand. Why would I put this all inside of one big one here, then return the same IDX? I mean, I guess, yeah, it just seems, for me, that strikes me as like, that seems wasteful. You know? No, so what does it think groups.length is? I don't know. Is there like, I don't even know if I can. If I run this, can I even see? I don't know how I can see what that is. Move const groups into set. Const coffee groups. Am I not using that anywhere else? I'm using it down here though. That's the problem. I'm using that down here. Like I'm using it in the two places. Another hook violation. You guys got link me the place where I can read about hook violation so I can know what I'm violating here. Duplication, more waste, prison. Dang it. Console login to is our problem. Yeah. I think there is something. We can solve that part later. Yeah. Okay, let's try the way we split this into a new component, I guess. But the thing that I don't get for that is if I split it into a new component, how do I keep this current coffee index thing? I can pass atoms around. Right? I can pass atoms around. The hurdle is just me setting up NVim with get basic feeling to work. Yeah, I mean, it's like you'll have to do some stuff and some reading and some other things like that for sure. Coffee group IDs atom. Here comes some intermediate books on programming. I don't have any off the top of my head. Try Neovim installing. Nice. Okay, let me read through a little bit more of some of the ones you've got here. Atom makes city. Use atom. City set city. I mean, this part makes 100% sense to me. Like this, I'm following here. I like this. I like how the schema stuff works here. Effect gen weather Atom make get effect gen function. Here we're gonna yield this. Have paste your file in the chat. I can try to figure out. Sure. Wow. Yeah, I do have some videos about how you can get started with NeoVim. Yep. That's a good point. That's a good point. Okay. Result match coffee groups. Yeah, oh, so Netflix. So I'm chilling. I'm a broke boy. I'm killing. Is it Kit Langton from Scala? It's the one and only. The creator of Scala. just say Kit's the creator of literally every single project. There's a brief video covering the manual. C-string's great. That's funny. Kit, creator of NeoVim. It's wild. Very prolific writer. How do you feel about Effect? I like Effect so far. I'm just kidding. The key is delegation. Yes. 5/8 of the way through. Oh, that's funny. Okay, let's look at a little bit more. I think I need to read a little derived state. You can create some derived state atoms in multiple ways. You can use get function to get the value of another atom. Atom make get count atom. See, I feel like I should be doing something like that, right? Like, shouldn't I be doing something like this? So I get this here. This is coffee groups ID, right? So then can't I do const? And these are not coffee group IDs. This is coffee IDs atom. These is just all the IDs that I have. So I go const coffee IDs is this. This is a result as well. That's fine with me. That's okay. Okay, coffee groups and coffee IDs. That's awesome. Current coffee IDX, set current coffee IDX. Those both seem good to me. This should be... Right, this is a result string, possible results, right? So then we want to do something like coffees dot length. This is coffees length, coffees. So I should be able to do const coffees is result get or else. Yeah, like this, right? All right, we'll try this. Okay, that didn't work either. Coffee IDs. Oh, that's because I'm doing the wrong thing. I want to do coffee IDs. Okay, nice. Wait a second. Was I just being stupid before and I did coffee groups and there were only 2 of them? I think I was just really dumb before, maybe. Okay. But I think I'm doing this the wrong way. I think we want to make this down and this is up, probably. Okay. We're so good, dude. Okay, so this makes sense to me. This thing's derived from this thing. If we want to use it, then we do this. That makes sense to me. I'm following. Is going to be ticked. Split keyboard into 4 pieces. Oh no. Oh no. My dad is going to be ticked. Okay, this is great. Split keyboard into 4 pieces. Oh no. Oh no. That is going to be ticked. Split keyboard into 4 pieces. Oh, is this not how you write this? This is not a valid type? How do you just say this thing might not, it might be undefined? Is this not it? What was it mad about now? I don't understand. The colleague group select a string undefined not selected string with exact optional property types here. Consider adding undefined. Wait, is there no optional? I have to do this or this? I hate that. Okay. If you're typed result, get or else ever, you can package this information into up initial atom, do pipe atom result, then whenever you use atom value, it'll be de-resulted. Result, get or else. Oh, okay, all right. We could try that later, kid. All right, I see what you're saying, though. Sometimes it's mad. Okay. Welcome to World of TypeScript. Hope you enjoyed to maximize your AI. Well, we're good now. We're all set now. Keyboard into 4 pieces. Oh no. Oh no. This is good. This is good, chat. Okay, nice. We're cooking. We're cooking. We're cooking now. Okay, this is a great place to stop. Of course, then lose the result if you want to render different loading, error, logic, states, etc. Yes, no, that totally makes sense. This is great. Because you know what I wouldn't do if I didn't write this? I wouldn't write any of those. That's why I like this. That's why I want to this is why I want to use effect. Not use effect, but that was why I want to use effect. You know what I'm saying? Okay. All right, I gotta go though. Starting a new TypeScript library, effect.ts, so everyone can get really confused and accidentally use mine. Giga SEO moves. GG's. GG effect.website. You're finished. Actually, you're finished.
Your touch is cold, but it burns so sweet.
You're finished, bro. Okay. I have to go. That website is undeniably the saddest TLD. I think it's kind of fun. Effect.website. You guys better snatch this up fast. Vercel.com/domains. $300? I was gonna buy it as a joke, but I don't think it's worth that, brother. It's all mine. It's all mine. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. I need to actually buy a Lambo first before this. Kind of have to after that tweet. No, what I need to do is I need to go pee and raid somebody else. Allie's not. We got some absolutely great people today in software game dev. First, we have to do this. Okay, chat. Adding flowers and rebalancing the levels. Playtest Godot. That doesn't look like NeoVim to me. But we do have a strict rule if they have NeoVim in the title. If they have NeoVim here. He does NeoVim? All right. Good enough for me. I mean, this looks sweet. It kind of it has Killer Queen vibes. Great game, by the way. Great game. Right? It's called Killer Queen, the arcade one, or am I hallucinating? Am I hallucinating or no? Where are the towers? Where are the towers? Okay, so I see pixel art, but where are the towers? I don't understand. We be vibing in the tower. Okay. I think we'll be back tomorrow. Chat, is no one gonna confirm Killer Queen? Right, that's the game. Can anyone... Killer Queen arcade game, right? Okay, yes, this game's so much fun. Yes, okay. I'm joining and just missed the stream. Kev, we're gonna be back tomorrow. I think. Lord willing. You never know. You never know what a new day is gonna bring. You never know. Read through James and you'll know. Okay. All right. All right. I gotta go. I'll see you guys later. And we should be back tomorrow. We'll try some more of this tomorrow. I'm having fun. My brain is getting effect pilled. Okay, bye. Bye, x.com everything application. Goodbye, YouTube. Thanks for hanging out today, everybody. Your end videos helping a lot. Hey, thanks, Claude. I appreciate that. I'll see you guys later. Peace.